Hello students, welcome to our chemistry classmate. In today's lecture we shall learn about how to balance the chemical equation. So there are many methods. I hope you have seen many methods to balancing the equation, but definitely this method gives the wonderful experience to you. So you will get the crystal clear clarity how to balance the equation. So definitely you will be like the method what I am going to discuss with you. So in this many methods are there. The first method is when hydrocarbons, you know, we are dealing with hydrocarbons repeatedly in many topics. So definitely there is a combustible reaction in that. See there, uh, if you take CH4 reacts with O2, it forms CO2 and gives H2O. Okay, you know this is the skeletal equation because left side, right side atoms are not balanced. So for this kind of reactions, especially hydrocarbon combustion reactions. So this is hydrocarbon. Oxygen is the supporter of combustion. They will form carbon dioxide and water. For this kind of reactions, there is one shortcut trick is there. You have to remember that formula. That is CXHY plus X plus Y by 4 O2 gives XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2O. So if you remember this equation, you will never get confusion about the balancing of chemical equation, which is hydrocarbon with respect to O2. Is it clear? So just very simple, in the place of X, see how many carbon in the given hydrocarbon, number of carbons represents X, number of hydrogens represents Y. Just replace that. So CXHY, CX nothing but C1, H4 plus X plus Y by 4. X nothing but, here what is the X value? 1 plus Y nothing but 4 because hydrogens 4. 4 by 4 O2 gives XCO2, that means 1 CO2 plus Y by 2. Y nothing but 4. 4 by 2 H2O. Simplify that. C1H4 nothing but CH4 plus 1 plus 4 by 4. 4 by 4 nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 2. So 2O2 gives CO2 plus 4 by nothing but 2H2O. See there, this is a balancing equation. Very simple, very shortcut technique. Is it clear? So if you remember this equation, you will get the balancing equation of any hydrocarbon with respect to oxygen. So we shall try for one more equation. You know, benzene. Repeatedly we are using the benzene. So C6H6 plus O2 gives, this also gives CO2 plus H2O. Is it okay? Benzene with oxygen. That is benzene combustion reaction. Now here, previously I given one permanent equation. What is that? CXHY. So keep in your mind that CXHY. Cx nothing but C6H6 plus X plus Y by 4. X nothing but here 6. Y nothing but 6 by 4. O2 gives XCO2, that means 6 CO2 plus Y by 2, that means 6 by 2 H2O. Is it clear? So keep in your mind that balancing equation. So C6H6 plus 6 plus, if you simplify, what you get here? 1.5. 6 by 4 nothing but 1.5. O2 gives 6 CO2 plus 3 H2O. Now again do simplify. C6H6 plus 7.5 O2 gives 6 CO2 plus 3 H2O. Is it okay? Now if you get the decimal values, just multiply with 2. Then what will get here? 2C6H6 plus 2 into 7.5 nothing but 15 O2. 15 O2 gives 12 CO2 plus 6 H2O. Now look at the number of atoms. 2 into 6, 12 carbons, 12 carbons. 2 into 6, 12 hydrogens. 6 into 2, 12 hydrogens. 15 into 2, 30 oxygens. See, 12 into 2, 24 plus 6. Is it clear? This is a very simple method apply for different equations, especially for hydrocarbons only. I hope you understood easily. So we will meet again with one more balancing method. Definitely by the time you do practice and get the perfection. So like it and share it and do your valuable suggestions there itself. Thank you.